bami nam. It's like a bami nam, but it's a noodles with duck. Duck. Alright. And I have also here the fried squid. Oh, fried squid. Yum yum. That will be my dinner. That will be my din and yeah, I'm ugly now, no beauty because so tired this time and we didn't go.
So don't smoke in the way. You have smoking area in both sides, this side and in the other side. Please be back on board at 11:20, 20 past 11. So 40 minutes, enough for 500 pictures each is enough. Okay? If you want to take 1,000, 500 is enough. You can leave the belongings.
We finally arrived to James Bond. So lots of tourist people from now. We're going inside the cave.
Do I have to bend over?
Of course, gonna have to bend your head.
Yes, I am. Gary, you're on
Oh.
Watch your camera. And that side. You see all the barnacles? That means the water goes that high. At a high tide. Now it's a low tide. You're not coming here at high tide. You only come in low tide.
Crocodile?
Mart, before dying, leave his house and build under his level, okay? So 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm for 55 million years. We have all this. This is a skeleton of coral. 50% of Thailand is skeleton of coral. Even when the 13 guys from the news from Chiang Mai, they disappeared, they escaped, that was a coral origin, so big area. What happened that the skeleton of coral is a carbonate of calcium. This carbonate of calcium suffers the erosion of the raindrops. So when these coral start to come up, the raindrops form the lakes. And in immersion, the lakes eat the calcium, so they hold the division, the lagoon inside. The man is waiting for us. We have the first experience in the canoe. We will have 2 canoe experiences today. The first will be in Panak Island. This is a national park where we count around 100 islands at all, but named only 42. Phang is the name, so Phang Bay, Phang Province, and Phang is the town. We have been in Phang is the city. Panak, first island. So.
I'm surely like you will really love it. And we are now in where, Yuri? Where we are? This is my son.
Island.
Panak Island, right? Yeah. So it's really beautiful. For all our retired travelers, do not sit down at your home. So get out from your comfort zone and experience this kind of trip.
That's only where is the boat now. The rest is over the water, so doesn't exist at the time. They continue to be fishermen until today. But what happened here that was a strategic point, because the Chinese people that dominate the business of tin and charcoal mines, they can navigate until here, and then over this, northern than this, there is the town of Panyee, the headquarters of the tin and charcoal mines, that cannot navigate with the big ships coming from Malaysia, where they had to be.
Guys, video here to my YouTube channel. I have a VIP, one of the retired from United States of Norfolk, Virginia. Yes, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Miles Warren. I'm retired from Suffolk, Virginia, and I came to Phuket for vacation.
So how was your vacation? How you find Marriott Beach Club, Phuket?
I do timeshare exchange, and this was 5-star resort, so I did not have to look anywhere else. I found 5-star, so I decided to come to Phuket.
And how was your experience to James Bond? Could you tell to our retired people who wanted to spend their vacation here to Marriott Beach Club?
Yes, James Bond, very nice. I like the canoe trip in the caves. I like to go swimming in the ocean. I could actually float because of the salt water. I like the lunch was buffet, and I am a fan of buffet. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, I love it too.
Very good. Yeah, buffet was delicious.
Yeah, fantastic.
And the speedboat was very fast, so it took very short time to go from island to island. Not just one island, you go through several islands. And 2 different canoe trips, very nice. Very good time.
Is it like expensive for a retired person like you?
Well, everything's relative. Compared to Bangkok, it's expensive, but compared to United States, it's not expensive. It's just like staying in New York City. Same.
All right. Thank you for that. Can I have a cheers with you,
Yes.
Mr. Miles Warren?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you
Cheers
so
to
much.
Phuket.
my YouTube channel. For those who don't subscribe yet, please click subscribe and click like for the button. Thank you, and I love you all. Bye!